Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to day 16, which actually probably should have been 15 because I totally forgot that yesterday had a theme. Yesterday's theme was Christmas cupcakes, so today I am doing just that. And I'll be honest, I didn't love these nails, but maybe they're growing on me, I'm not sure yet. But first off, I started with like a neutral base to give like a negative space-like look, and then I put on some tan acrylic paint to create the cupcake top. Then I used some red acrylic paint to make the like cupcake paper, I guess that's what you call it, like the muffin paper. And then I added some burgundy lines to give it some definition like you would traditionally have on that. And then it was time to ice the cupcake. And for all of these details, you guys already know, but I'm using acrylic paint and I'm actually going between a few different brushes here. But for the most part, I am using a bigger, like regular paintbrush from a craft section in a craft store. And then for the fine lines, I did use the Orly Short Detailer brush. But now I've done my icing and I've just done this bit in white. You could totally like change this up color wise, but I just went with a white because I wanted to put some holly on the top. So I did 3 varying sizes of dots on the top of the cupcake, and then I added some holly leaves, and I did the same method that I did for another video where it's like 2 diamonds on top of each other to create the leaf. And once that was done, this design was done. I then covered it with a matte top coat in this video. Then I really didn't like it in matte, so I went ahead and put a shiny top coat on top as well. So if you see pictures on Instagram, they will be shiny, but here it is matte. So here is a final look at the cupcake design. Again, I'm just not loving it for some reason, but this was bound to happen at some point during Nailmas, so I'm just glad I remembered about the theme and got it done. So I hope you all enjoyed it, even though it was a little bit of a flop. I think tomorrow's are a lot better, so I can't wait to show you, and I thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the series overall, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye!